Good morning YouTube, I'm Deliosity and this is footage from earlier today while I was on my way to college, and what I'm going to be showing you today is a case of hit and run due to rash driving, and the location is the Nehru Place DTC bus terminal. So basically what happened is that this guy driving his Maruti Swift hit a school-going boy. He was driving very rashly. He hit this boy and then the boy tries to stop the car, but he manages to get away. That right there, keep a close eye on that car, and I'll just show you this full thing zoomed in slow motion. So first he goes and he almost hits this guy standing next to the bus. The guy jumps to the side, so he manages to escape, and then he goes, the car driver goes ahead and hits the boy right there. So he hits the boy, and then the boy tries to stop the car, but this guy doesn't stop. He continues accelerating even though the boy is there, and he pushes him out of the way, and he manages to escape. Now I managed to capture his registration number, and these kind of people think that they can do whatever they want because no one's really watching them. Today I managed to capture it. This is his face right here, not very clear, but yeah. So this is really wrong. I'll just show you the full thing again in real time. Look at that. So first I thought that the boy knew the driver and the driver was playing the fool or something, but then I realized that he actually hit the boy and he was trying to escape. And these kind of people feel that they can do whatever they want. You need to understand that with a big vehicle you get bigger responsibilities, and you can't just go anywhere hitting into people because you want to drive fast. That's really wrong. You need to be very responsible while driving or riding, and you need to respect your surroundings, respect the people that are around, and you can't do what this guy just did here. And this just goes on to show that you need to be really alert while you're on the roads. It doesn't matter whether you're driving a car, riding a bike, or you're just a pedestrian on the road. You can be walking and someone like this can come and hit you. Now in this case, luckily the boy didn't get hit really bad. He was still walking, trying to stop the car. He looked fine, but this could have been worse. So I just wanted to tell you all to be safe, and yeah, be careful, be safe, and stay alert all the time. Thanks for watching.